Tired of visitors landing on your unfinished Hostinger site? You know the feeling. You send someone a link to check your progress, and instead of seeing something professional, they get a blank page or a weird error. Not a great first impression. The good news is, you can fix that in under 2 minutes. Learn how to add a professional coming soon page that actually captures emails and builds hype while you finish building the real site. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through the Hostinger Builder interface, click by click, showing you exactly where to go to enable and customize your coming soon page. By the end of this, your visitors will see a polished page that makes them excited to come back. Let us dive in. Alright, first things first. Make sure you are logged into your Hostinger account and that your website builder is open. You want to be looking at the main dashboard where you see your site preview. This is the control center for everything. Now look over on the left-hand side of the screen for the menu panel. You are going to see a few different options there. The one we want is called Pages. Go ahead and click on that. Once the Pages menu opens up, you will notice it is split into a few different sections. You have got your main pages like Home and About, but what we need is tucked away a little further down. Scroll down the list until you see a section labeled Other Pages. That is where Hostinger stores all the special purpose pages, including the one we are after. Click on Other Pages to expand that section, and there it is. You should see an option that says Coming Soon. It might have a little clock icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that. This will load a pre-built Coming Soon template that Hostinger provides. It is a great starting point because it already has a clean layout and a place for people to sign up with their email. But we are not done yet. We need to make it your own. Now, let us customize the information on this page. Look for a button or an area on the screen that says Info. When you click on it, a settings panel will pop up. This is where you can change the main headline, add a short description, and update any other text that shows up. Think of this as your chance to tell visitors what they can expect. Keep it friendly and clear. Something like, "We are working on something amazing. Leave your email and be the first to know." While you are in that same settings area, look for a section called Highlight. This lets you draw attention to specific features or announcements you want people to notice. Maybe it is a launch date or a teaser about what you are building. Click on Highlight and type in whatever you want to stand out. This is a great spot to build a little curiosity. Once you have got all your text looking just right, do not forget to save. Look for the Save button. It is usually in the top right corner of the Builder interface. Click it. This is one of those steps that is easy to skip, but trust me, you want to lock in all that work you just did. Give it a second to process. Now for the fun part. Let us see what your visitors will actually experience. Find the Preview button. It is usually right next to the Save button. Click on it, and a new tab will open showing your Coming Soon page exactly the way it looks live. This is your chance to double-check everything. Make sure the text reads well, the email sign-up form works, and the overall vibe matches your brand. If something looks off, you can always go back and tweak it, and that is it. From a blank, unfinished site to a polished Coming Soon page that engages your audience and collects emails, your visitors now have a reason to be excited instead of confused. You have got this. Go ahead and share that link with confidence.